Hello art lovers, welcome to the art channel once more. We have something very attractive for you today as we explore the fascinating conversion of a simple drawing on a canson paper into a compelling masterpiece. We are going into the world of creativity and imagination. Think about the human hand as a blank canvas, enriched with the spirit of art. Watch closely as the apple takes shape and colors right here on the hand. With every brush stroke, the artist transforms the apple into vivid acrylic hues. Then magic begins. This little work of art is created on the hand, which also serves as a stage for an artist. Do you sense the artist's enthusiasm? It involves putting your heart into every stroke and injecting emotion into every hue, not just utilizing colors and shapes. Finally, a little magic. Observe how the painter brings this apple to a character. It is as though the very heart of nature is rising. For a second, set aside your ability to believe. Allow your imagination to fly as you watch the painted apple surpass the limitations of two-dimensional painting. Art is an experience as well as something you see. The tangible quality makes the artist's journey more relatable to us and creates a connection between artist and audience. Voila! Witness the power of imagination as once blank canvas now features an artistic rendering of an apple. The power of art to alter, inspire and connect. So if you are as fascinated by this change as we were, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon. And never forget that the only thing stopping you from creating something remarkable is your imagination. We appreciate you joining us on this artistic adventure today. Keep imagining and creating till the next time. For more artful adventure, check out these videos and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates. Stay inspired. Good luck.